Assalamualaikum, nama saya Narfika binti Muhammad Izwan, nombor matrik 01DDT 19F1204. Grup kami akan menerangkan tentang case study. Saya akan baca arahan. Perform digital skill in managing the technique and procedure to encounter threat and attack. Saya akan ringkaskan apa yang diberi oleh case study ini, iaitu Yahoo telah di-attack pada September pada 2016, serta berbilion user telah dicuri maklumat peribadi yang sulit seperti nama, email address, nombor telefon, date of birthday and hash password. Jadi saya akan baca introduction. So a data breach is a confirmation incident in the which sensitive, confidential, or otherwise protected data has been accessed or disclosed in an authorized fashion. Data breaches may involve personal health information, personally identifiable information, trade secret, or intellectual property. Common data breach exposed include personal information such as a credit card, social security numbers, and health care history, as well as corporate information such as a customer list, manufacturing process, and software secure code. If anyone who is not specially authorized to do so views such as a data, the organization charged with the protecting the informating is said to have suffered a data breach. If a data breach result is identified and or a violation or government or industry employees mandates, the offending organization may face line or other civil litigation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nofakro binti Muhammad Saad, number message 01DDT 19F1195 from class DDT SCB. Okay, so we continue after my friend's presentation. Okay, so remember is for procedures to encounter threats and attack. Okay, so procedure untuk encounter threat and attack, the first one is security policy first. Okay, security policy should include procedures to prevent and detect misuse, as well as guidelines for conducting incident investigations. It should spell out the potential consequence of misuse. You must make sure that your policy dictates the limit on access to and dissemination of personal data about your employees, temps, and other who might be target of investigation. Okay, second procedure untuk menghadapi ancaman dan serangan information security adalah kita perlu menggunakan use strong authentication. Okay, apa yang dimaksudkan oleh use strong authentication ni is password cracking technology is quite advanced, and single password spawn for the host is not on monitor. So many employees share password. The alternatives are expensive, and general deployment is beyond the means of most organizations. A more cost-effective compromise is to apply strong multi-factor authentication only to particularly sensitive application or system. Okay, for step cara yang ketiga adalah menggunakan anti-spyware. Anti-spyware is a software detect and prevent unwanted spyware program installations. Detection may be either rules-based or based on download definition file the identity currently active spyware program. So the last step for prevent threat and attack in information security is to secure your desktop. You can depend on users to be responsible for all their configurations, but if you are using Microsoft Active Directory service, you can use only group policies to lock down desktop across your enterprise. Okay, group policies allow a security manager to set a configuration details for the operating system and its components. Dia termasuklah dengan komponen yang dimaksudkan adalah Internet Explorer, Video Mail Player, and etc. Just that daripada saya. Thank you.
Name is Sauna Dinimita Mazani, Nomatic 01 DDT 19 F1181. So I will explain about prevent from data breach. So how we can preventing from data breach. So saya akan explain pasal apa itu data breach, apa solutions dia. Okay, so ini adalah poster yang kami buat. So apa itu data breach? Data breach is a security incident in which information is accessed without authorization. Data breach can hurt business and consumers in variety of ways. They are costly expense that can damage lives and reputation and takes time to repair. Okay, solution dia untuk prevent daripada data breach ni, okay, solution dia, the solution for this problem is you can use tools to prevent for data breach. So kita boleh gunakan tools, any tools untuk prevent data breach. Actually banyak tools yang kita boleh gunakan, tapi one of the best effective tools yang kita ada adalah data flow mapping tools. Okay, with the data flow mapping tools, mapping your data flows can be has never been easier. Create data flow maps are vital component for GDPR compliance that can be reviewed, revised, and updated when needed, as well as identify weakness within your process. Okay, so data flow mapping tools, it can build powerful, intuitive data flow maps. Okay, so it quickly and easily create and edit maps with dynamic drawing tools, and also navigate, move, delete, and duplicate any element without your map. Okay, next, share and publish data flow reports. Okay, it generates version control data flows reports in a user-friendly format. Update process maps and details whenever changes are made to the process. Okay, seterusnya, it's also ditch complex spreadsheets for an intuitive user interface. So it's print process report with one click, easily drag and drop access around your map. And then next, compile a data inventory. It means log the details of the present data in items involved and generate an inventory of personal data. Alright. So this adalah specify the lawful basis for processing. It highlight the types of personal data being processed, record what safeguards apply to third country transfers, and lastly, collaborate with others. Easily review, edit, and update maps with multiple people as your organisation evolves. So ini adalah antara kebaikan dengan menggunakan data mapping tools. Okay. Saja pada saya, sekian, terima kasih.
Hi, my name is Nurhusa Balkis binti Zaini Rijal. My registration number is 018019F4174. I want to share about conclusion. Protecting basic communication system is a key to resistant attack. Nowadays, Yahoo encryption is very important. Awareness on risks related to Yahoo need to put into consideration so that you are not easily being attacked by an attacker when you send confidential material. Disaster recovery testing is very important in security planning to ensure it discover problem, mistake and error and can resolve them before you have to use the procedure. That's all from me. Thank you.